Hi everyone, today we are making pasta alla trapanese, a fresh and flavorful Sicilian pasta dish. It's easy to make, creamy and packed with Mediterranean flavor, of course. Then let's go. Well, I start this recipe by turning the oven on to 210 degrees. Then I prepare a saucepan full of water and only water. And I put a bowl full of cold water into the freezer. I want to roast my almonds. And then I put it into the oven during 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare my tomatoes, and they are the center of the sauce. We are going to make a nice pesto. I make a cross like this. It's going to be easier to peel the tomatoes after that. And once it's boiling, I put them into the saucepan during 20 seconds maximum. Just the time to take the bowl out of the freezer. Yeah, the ice water creates a thermal shock, and then it will be easier to peel the tomatoes. Okay, good for the almonds too, and you can find all the ingredients into the description below. I will let them cool down, and now I'm going to prepare my tomatoes. And after peeling them, I remove the stem. And yeah, I'm wearing a glove because I just cut my finger a little, but no worries. I put the tomatoes aside, and I take the garlic. And yeah, I will peel it. And I wanted to make this special recipe because I wanted to eat my pasta with a fresh pesto, with a fresh touch. Of course, I remove the sprout to avoid bitterness. And I'm going to chop it finally. So now there are two ways. The first one is to take a pestle and a mortar just like me, and if you don't have it, then just take a mixer. A little olive oil. I add a pinch of fleur de sel. It will help us to break the garlic. And now you press hard. What you want to do is a garlic paste. I know it takes a little time, but it's worth it, believe me. We are going to extract all the flavors. Great, that's what we want. And we are going to chop the almonds. We are going to chop it roughly. Not that easy with the glove, but that's what you want actually. No more. You want this pesto to be crispy. Perfect, no more. Now I'm going to add the herbs. I took savory, but you can use rosemary as well. And I add fresh basil. Again, if you don't have a mortar, then you use a blender and you mix everything, okay? Perfect. I'm going to prepare the pasta, then I take a saucepan full of water. I'm going to salt it. And I'm going to chop my tomatoes roughly. And I think you already know what I'm about to do. I switch from the mortar to this bowl because, yeah, my mortar is small. I add a little olive oil, followed by salt and black pepper. And then let's go again. Okay, good. It's time for my pasta now to be cooked. I just made my fresh favorite pasta. And 1 minute later, we're good. And yeah, I decided to put all the pasta into this nice pesto. But of course, if you don't want to, you can keep the pasta into your saucepan. And then you add a little oil into the saucepan, of course, so they don't stick. Yeah, we have to be generous in life, right? Final touch, just a few basil leaves. And that's it! Now you know how to make delicious pasta alla trapanese with plenty of Mediterranean flavor. I hope this recipe brings a little taste of Sicily to your table. If you give it a try, then let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Mediterranean recipes. Give it a thumbs up, it really helps my work. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!